So hello everyone, this is the second video for the revision of the statistics portion. Now keep in mind in this one I'll be using the same question as my previous video. Only difference is that there it was a less than frequency distribution table and I converted into a simple frequency distribution table. Here I'll be converting a more than frequency distribution table into a simple frequency distribution table. So let us read the question. During the health checkup, the heights in centimeter of 51 students of class 8 was found and the following data was noted. The height of the tallest student is 164 centimeters. Prepare a simple frequency distribution table from it. Remember, when I say more than 135 means my first class will have the number of students having the height more than 135 centimeters. So that means 135 will become the lower limit. Now clearly see 135, 140, 145. The difference is how much? Difference is 5. So that means that the class size will be of 5. So my first class interval will be 135 to 140. Exactly same way. Second one is having more than or equal to 140. That means it has to start from 140. That means lower limit is going to be 140. And because the class size is 5, so it's going to be 140 to 145, then 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, and finally I'll get more than or equal to 160 means anything more than 160, it could be 170, it could be 180, anything more than 160 is acceptable. But here, because they have stated in the question, the height of the tallest student is 164 centimeters. So I can comfortably take my last class interval to be as 160 to 165 centimeters. So let us try to convert the table into the frequency distribution table. As I told you, my first class interval will be 135 to 140. Next, it will start with 140 and class size of 5. So it will be 140 to 145. Then the more than or equal to 145. So the third class interval will start from 145, class size of 5. So 145 to 150. Then more than or equal to 150. So it will start with 150 and class size of 5. So 150 to 155, 155 to 160, and 160 to 165. So now I have got the class intervals. Now comes how to write the number of students. Now, more than or equal to 135 is 51, means all the students taken together, the number is coming out to be 51. More than or equal to, so I'll start with the lowermost class interval. I take this more than 160 is how much? 5. That means 160 to 165 is for sure 5. So I can write here 5. Then I go on to the next interval. More than or equal to 155 includes the number of students which were having the height more from 155 to 160 and from 160 to 165. That means this 11 includes these 5 students also. So here I will write 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Next, when I say more than or equal to 150, means it is having 150 to 155 and more than 155 also. That means I'll be taking the number of students here as 22 minus 11, which is equal to 11 over here. Next, I'll be getting 40 minus 22, which is equal to 18. And 47 minus 47. And lastly, what will I get? 51 minus 47, which is equal to 4. So I could have done it from here also. 51 minus 47 is 4 you get here. 47 minus 40 is 7 here. 40 minus 42 is 18 over here. 22 minus 11 is 11 over here. 11 minus 5 is 6 over here. And last I write 5. I can go from down below also. I can go from the top. I can start subtracting. So let us write the final table now. So this is the final frequency distribution table wherein I am having the height in centimeters for the given class sizes: 135 to 140, 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, and 160 to 165. And corresponding number of students as 4, 7, 18, 11, 6, and 5. I can check my work using the sum of the number of students. 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 18 is 29, 29, 11 is 40, 40 plus 6, 46, 46 plus 5 is 51. So in all probability, the work is correct.
So always remember that the sum of the frequencies should always come equal to the total number of students. Here the total number of students was given to us as 51. So the sum of the total frequencies is coming equal to 51. That means the work is probably correct. Had it not come equal to the total number of students, then for sure there would have been some mistake. So and we would have needed to check our work then.
So I hope you followed converting a less than table into a normal frequency distribution table. In my next video, I'll be sharing how to use this kind of a table to find out the mean, then the mode, and finally the median. So watch these videos to revise the complete chapter of statistics. Thank you so much.